Hey there, explorers of the virtual world. Do you love avatars? Want to earn real rewards by sharing what you enjoy? Then listen up. Today, I'll show you how you can become an official Union Avatars ambassador and start earning 20% revenue share by inviting others to join our platform. First, open your browser and go to the Xsolla Influencer Program website. You'll find the link in the description. This is where everything begins. Now you need to sign up. You can register using your email or another login method. The only requirement? You need at least 50 subscribers on any social media platform. If you have that, you're good to go. Once inside the Xsolla platform, look for Union Avatars in the list of available programs. Click on it, then hit Request Access. This tells us you're interested in joining our ambassador team. After you submit your request, we will review your application. If everything looks good, we'll approve you. Now you can start earning. We've prepared a folder with marketing materials, including banners, images, and more. But you can also create your own content, videos featuring your avatar, social media posts, or anything that fits your style. To invite your community, copy your unique tracking link for Union Avatars and share it. You can post it anywhere. There are even quick share buttons for social media. Every time someone you refer buys something on Union Avatars, you will receive 20% of the sale. The more people you invite, the more you earn. At the bottom of the page, you'll find a special 20% discount code for your followers. When they use it during checkout, they'll get a discount on their Uni's purchase and you'll earn your commission. Everyone wins. And that's it. Now you're ready to start earning and growing with Union Avatars. Whether you're a creator, a gamer, or just love avatars, this is your chance to turn your passion into profits. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up today, start sharing, and let's build the future of avatars together. See you in the virtual world.